Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Notion AI versus Manus AI to see which one organize your life better in 2025. Both tools offer powerful AI features, but they serve different purposes when it comes to managing your tasks, notes, and projects. Notion AI is built into the popular Notion workspace, combining note-taking, task management, and database all in one. It uses AI to help you write faster, brainstorm ideas, summarize notes, and even create to-do lists automatically. That flexibility makes it great for personal use, students, and teams who want creative all in one together. Manus AI, one on the other hand, it focuses on more professional workflows. It excels at automating documents processing, managing contract, and streamlining business tasks. If your life filled with the paperwork, deadlines, and detailed projects, Manus AI helps keep everything in order with precision and reliability. So, if you want a versatile creative assistant for daily life in general organization, Notion AI is a solid choice. But if you need a serious business automation and document management, Manus AI stands out. In 2025, the best organizer depends on your lifestyle. Creative flexibility with Notion AI or business focused power with Manus AI. And thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. I'll catch you in the next video.